Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Snapseed on iOS. Watch the video till the end so that you'll be able to do the following activities by yourself. Before moving on to the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, now let's move straight into the video. Open Snapseed app, which can be downloaded through App Store. When you first enter Snapseed, you'll see this thing. You'll see this home page. You have to click on the plus sign, which is on the middle of the screen. It will allow you to go through your photos. You can click on open from device, then choose any of the photo that you want to edit. Photos, many filters that you can put on the photo. For example, this, or this, and even this. If you are okay with the filter that you have chosen, on the bottom right corner you can see a tick mark. Click on it. Then other thing is you can use tools in this, which is on the middle of looks and export. Click on the tools. Now there are various tools that you can use and edit your photos, such as tune image, details, covers, white balance, crop, and many more. You can go through all of this thoroughly and you will know how to use it and how to portray this. And that is all. And to save this what you have edited, on the right bottom side you can see export. Now to save this on your device, you can click on the save button right here, which is on the third option. Or if you want to share it, you can share it through Instagram, your other Instagram, your Viber, WhatsApp, or anything. You can share to any of the contacts here. Or other thing is you can save a copy of this or even export. That is all for today. That is how you use Snapseed on iOS. If you want to go in more details, you can see the further videos in our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when we post new videos.